Questions and answer for Registered Master Electrician Licensure Examination, credits to Rolby Calano. Number 1. What is accessible is applied to wiring methods. Wiring that is readily available to inspection, repair, removal, etc., without disturbing the building structure or finish. Not permanently enclosed by the structure or finish of buildings. Number 2. What is accessible is applied to equipment. Equipment that may be readily reached without climbing over obstacles or that is not in locked or other hard-to-reach areas. For example, panel boards in kitchen cabinets that are mounted in or on the walls above washers and dryers, or in closets or bathrooms, are not accessible. Service entrance equipment that can be reached only by going into a closet, behind a stairway, or around some other obstacle would not be considered accessible. Number 3. What does ampacity mean? The amount of flowing current, in amperes, that a conductor can carry continuously for specific use conditions and not exceed the temperature rating of the conductor. Number 4. What does dead front mean? No live, energized, parts are exposed where a person operates electrical equipment. Number 5. What does approved mean? Any appliance, wiring material or other electrical equipment that is acceptable to the enforcing authorities. Underwriter's laboratory is, by far, the most acceptable authority to inspectors. Number 6. What does identified mean as applied to equipment? It means that the equipment will be suitable for the particular use or environment, that it has been evaluated by a qualified electrical testing organization, and that it features a product listing or label indicating its suitability. Number 7. What is a branch circuit? A branch circuit is the portion of a wiring system that extends beyond the last overcurrent protective device. In interpreting this, you must not consider the thermal cutout or the motor overload protection as a beginning of the branch circuit. The branch circuit actually begins at the final fusing or circuit breaker point where the circuit breaks off to supply the motor. Number 8. What is a small appliance branch circuit? This is the circuit supplying one or more outlets connecting appliances only. There is no permanently connected lighting on this circuit, except the lighting that may be built into an appliance. Refer to outlets for small appliance loads in kitchens, laundries, pantries, and dining and breakfast rooms of dwellings. Number 9. What is a general-purpose circuit? This is a branch circuit to which lighting and/or appliances may be connected. Number 10. What is a multi-wire branch circuit? A multi-wire branch circuit has two or more ungrounded conductors with a potential difference between them and also has a grounded, neutral, conductor with an equal potential difference between it and each of the other wires. Examples are a 3-wire 120/214-volt system or a 120/208-volt Y system, using 2 or 3-phase conductors and a grounded conductor. However, in either case, the hot wires must not be tied to one phase but must be connected to different phases to make the system a multi-wire circuit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and videos. Thank you.